Are you struggling with multiplying fractions? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process step by step and provide you with examples along the way, so you can master this skill once and for all. To begin, let's review the process. To multiply two fractions, you simply multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. Then, if possible, simplify the resulting fraction. Let's take a look at an example. Say we want to multiply 1/4 by 2/3. We start by multiplying the numerators together. 1 times 2 equals 2. Then we multiply the denominators together. 4 times 3 equals 12. So, our answer is 2/12. But wait, we can simplify this fraction. Both 2 and 12 are divisible by 2, so we can reduce the fraction to 1/6. And that's our final answer. Now, let's try a more complex example. What if we want to multiply 3/5 by 7/8? We start by multiplying the numerators together. 3 times 7 equals 21. Then we multiply the denominators together. 5 times 8 equals 40. So, our answer is 21/40. This fraction can't be simplified any further, so we're done. And there you have it. Multiplying fractions isn't so scary after all. Just remember to multiply the numerators and denominators separately, and simplify the resulting fraction if possible. With a little practice, you'll be multiplying fractions like a pro in no time.